The internal resistance interactive calculator helps you analyze electrical circuits by calculating 6 different parameters related to internal resistance and power efficiency. Let's look at the inputs. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown where you can select what to calculate: internal resistance R, terminal voltage V, EMF epsilon, current I, power loss in internal resistance, or circuit efficiency. For this demo, I've selected Calculate Internal Resistance R. Next, we have 5 input fields: EMF epsilon in volts, terminal voltage V in volts, current I in amperes, internal resistance R in ohms, and load resistance R in ohms. For our example, I'll enter an EMF of 12.6 volts, a terminal voltage of 11.8 volts, and a current of 4.5 amperes. After clicking Calculate, the calculator determines the internal resistance based on the voltage drop between EMF and terminal voltage divided by the current. The results section also shows the voltage drop across the internal resistance, power dissipated internally, and the overall circuit efficiency as a percentage. These values help engineers evaluate battery performance and circuit losses. Find the link in the description below.